Hi everyone, welcome to our Facebook page. Take this paper cup, draw doors and windows on the top of it. Cut the windows like this. We're also drawing grass using sketch pen. Now take this yellow circle. We're making the roof of the house. Let's make snowman. Roll white clay, make two balls, draw eyes and make muffler as well. Now put all of them on this white snow. Make mushrooms as well and look, your model is ready. Let's make snowflakes using craft paper. So take this white craft paper and draw this design on the top of it using marker. Now cut it using scissors. Gently open it and look, your beautiful design is ready. Two circles from white craft paper. We're going to make a semicircle and paste the circle on the top of it. Draw the face of the snowman using markers. Draw a muffler as well. Now make the cap, paste all of them together. Paste its hands and look, it's ready. Take this yellow foam net, fold it and paste it using double-sided tape. We're going to make a cap, so tie with rubber band on the top. Now add more details like this. Roll another yellow clay and tie a knot on both sides and make a toffee-like shape. Now we're going to make pom-pom balls and look, it's ready. At the tip of the earbuds and make this design. Now place all of them on this black circle and paste rest of the earbuds together and look, your snowflake design is ready. We're going to place this white clay on the lid like this. Now we're going to roll this black clay and we are using this different shades of green clay. Roll all of them and make the Christmas tree. Place them around the black clay. Now make gift and place all of them on the white clay like this and look, your model is ready. We're going to press white clays on this brown circle. We're going to make two snowmen here. So make the muffler, hat and eyes as well of both of them. Draw their hands like this. Here we are also making this unique muffler using green and red clay. These snowflakes and look, it's ready. First, we are going to draw the design of snowflake using pencil on this white circle. After this, we are going to apply glue on the lines like this. Now you can put some glitter powder or normal powder on the top of it like this. And look, your beautiful design is ready. After this, you can also paint it using colorful watercolors like this and look, it's done. Trace lines around your hand and cut the shape of these gloves. We're going to cut a pair. Now roll this yellow foam nut and make small pieces. Now we are going to paste them on the top of the gloves using glue and look, it's done. Similar way, add more details like heart and draw all these lines together and snowflakes and look, it's done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please